Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Aiman bin ZUHAINI. My number matric is AN190156. So I will present my individual assignment for entrepreneurship course. So my business startup, I choose to produce a product that given names is Crispy Crunchy Popia, or also can be called as C&C Popia. So basically, the crispy crunchy popia or C&C popia is a fried roll spring in square shaped, coated with various tastes and flavors. So actually, I get the ideas to produce this kind of product from NZ Crunchies, which is I feel it is tasty and good to be eat while watching movies and others. So for my C&C Popia, there are five flavors or taste here. So the first one is crispy cheese. We use premium cheese as the coating or topping, and then we got uh, premium chocolate and Milo for whom that loves the sweet. Okay, next we got golden or spicy sour egg. Next we got white chocolate and nestum, and the last one is rendang and chicken frost. So in order to have a good quality of my product, I will make sure the roll spring pastry always being cut in same size, which is square in size, and then the oil's temperature also been taken care. Also, time of frying the roll spring pastry, and then seal and pack nicely. And lastly, after all of these procedures have been taken care, I will apply halal from Jakim, so the uh, I can get customers confidence like that. Okay, the next is customers expectation. So actually my product can be consumed uh, for almost all age, but here I put three customers expectation. Okay, so the first one is children. It is because children love snacks, so I can guarantee that they would love my CNC Popia after their first bites. Okay, the second one is teenagers. The teenagers, especially a student. So I highlight a student here because during this pandemic, student have online classes and doing assignments at home. So CNC Popia will help them to so they can eat CNC Popia while online classes or doing assignments, so it can help them from being sleepy while online classes. Okay, the last one is the elderly, but especially for a toothless person, because a toothless person, as we know, they hard to consume hard foods like that. But CNC Popia, it is crunchy and crispy. I can guarantee that uh, they that their gums will not injured or hurt after consuming CNC Popia if they uh, consume it nicely. But still, the customer expectation, I can guarantee that my product can make them addicted to my product, but still, they still need to eat more healthy foods. So for operational strategy, okay, first I will put my product in four different grocery stores because in current situation, which is in COVID-19, grocery stores are the top visited of residents. Plus the grocery stores is near from the residentials. So I will put five of uh, uh, sorry 10 of my products at four different grocery stores. Okay, next I will promote and sell my product in online platform. Okay, I will sell it in eBay and Amazon for to promote it worldwide, and then for I will sell it in Lazada and Shopee, especially for local people or local customers. Okay, next I can promote and attract other targeted customers when I promote in Twitter, Facebook's marketplace or group, and then in Instagram's shop. Okay, for my marketing strategies, first and foremost, I will build strong relationships through communication with my customers. So I can ask them for feedbacks, for reviews, and what are their demands, needs, and others. Okay, then I will gathering some informations about my customers' behavior, so I can stalk them or else to gain informations about what their likes, what type of products that their foods, so I can create other products or create the futures of my products on the next period. Okay, next is I will make uh, a contest and make my own hashtag or promotion offering campaign or giveaways and advertisement to attract other customers and other targeted customers. I can create my own hashtag, and the consumers or my customers can post it and then hashtag it. For giveaway, I can make some giveaways or contests like in Twitter or Instagrams. From that, I also can gain other new followers and can gain a new targeted customers. I also can make advertisement uh, in FB, like I can promote my product in page or group and sell it there. And lastly is posting unique consumers post content. So it's like I post my consumers or customers post content like the videos, pictures, feedbacks, and like that. So I can gain trust from target customers. So they will believe me and they will believe to try my product. Okay, next is financial analysis. Okay, so for items for cost of product, for spring roll pastry, I need to pay ringgit for 50 sheets, and then savory flavors, all kind of flavors. It's because I cannot to tell. I don't know the specific uh, units for savory flavors for each of my flavors. So I put here all kind of flavors, which is 100 ringgit. And then for cooking oil, 31 ringgit for 5 kilograms. And then plastic jar, 100, sorry, 1 ringgit and 50 cents per unit. And then pouch plastic packaging is 10 ringgit per 100 pieces. Cooking gas, 30 ringgit per 16.5 kilograms, and then metal work, 30 ringgit. Okay, so uh, I just make assumption here to make my product. So I assume that a pack of spring roller pastry which is contain 50 sheets there can make 4 pieces of L size or S size. Okay, so basically my product has two size. So the first one is S size, which is 70 grams, and then the second one is L size, which is 10 ringgits, 10 ringgits per 230 grams. Okay, and the second one is the stated savory flavors can last for 2 months. Then two cooking oils are needed for every month, and then the cooking gas can last for 3 months. 10 of each size are putting in 4 different grocery stores, and then no cost needed to sell my product in stated platforms, which is in eBay, Amazon, Lazada, and Shopee. And the last one is through 200 units for each size per month, including 10 of each size put in grocery stores. For my first month of my business startup, I will produce 200 units of each size. Okay, then the financial analysis for cost of product is below. Okay, so to get 200 units of L size for a month, 7 ringgit multiply to 200 over 4, I get, so the total is 350 ringgit. And then 200 units of S size for a month, 7 ringgit multiply to 200 over 10, and I get 140 ringgit. Then for savory flavors for a month is 100 over 2 and get 50 ringgit for a month. While cooking oil for a month is 62 ringgit. Cooking gas for a month is 30 ringgit divided by 3, which is 10 ringgit for a month. While plastic jars for 200 units per month is 1 ringgit and 50 cents, multiply to 200, and we get 300 ringgit. For pouch plastic packaging for 200 units per month, 2 multiplied by 10 ringgit and got 20 ringgit. So the total budget that I used to produce 200 units of each size is 932 ringgit per month. Okay, so the last one is the items is raw material expense. So for cost product, monthly I need a budget of 932 ringgit. So for every year, I need 11,184 ringgit. So transportations, I use for transportation we can use postage by postage, or I will delivery for some areas near my house. So I put here only curfews because I not ask them for delivery fees, uh, uh, but except for postage. So for curfews, 100 ringgit monthly, and yearly is 1,200 ringgit. For advertisement, social media advertisement, and campaigns, contents, promotion, and others, also including here, which is 50 ringgit a month, which is 600 ringgit for years. And then I put other expenses here, if there is any emergencies or any out of stock, something like that. So I put 100 ringgit monthly. So for a year, I need to pay of 1,200 ringgit. So the total for monthly is 1,182 ringgit, and yearly is 14,184 ringgit. Okay. So as we can see here, uh, 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 I have been given 5,000 of budgets to make a business startup. So for 1 month here, I only need 1,182 ringgits for my budgets, and I can see we can see clearly that the Baki apa lagi? Uh, so we can see that the balance of the budgets there, I can use it as a budget for another 2 months. Okay, and lastly, for conclusion, for my business operation, I will set a more clear targets and objectives for every month, and also I will set my own objectives every weeks, which is my target sales like that. Okay, then I will try to negotiate friendly with my courier, so I can make sure that my C&C Popia will reach the customer's hands immediately or as soon as possible. And then I will find ways to minimize or cut off my costs so that I will have more budgets for the next month. And then I will promote and stress point correctly of my promotions offers to my customers. Okay, then I will consider my customers satisfaction, demands and needs, so that I can apply to my products, or maybe produce other product something, or create futures like that. And lastly, for the next maybe 3 or 4 upcoming months, I will try to produce more than 200 units if I get more customers and get welcoming customers like that from netizens and others. That's all from me. Thank you.